today we'll talk about how can you enable notifications on your Dailymotion app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on push notifications. Then you come to push notifications, click in this sign. Then you click here on go to settings. Then you click in this sign here. When you click on show notifications, like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Like you see, it's enabled with us now here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.